In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Slice tool in Figma. This powerful feature allows you to export specific portions of your design with precision, making it incredibly useful for preparing assets, icons, or sections of your UI for development or presentations. First things first, you'll need to open up your Figma application or navigate to the Figma website in your browser. Ensure you're logged into your account and have your design file open, or create a new one to follow along. The Slice tool is a fundamental component for any designer looking to efficiently manage and export their design elements. Once you're in Figma and have your canvas ready, turn your attention to the main toolbar located at the top of your interface. You'll find the Slice tool grouped with other drawing tools like the Frame tool and the Rectangle tool. It's often represented by an icon that resembles a small rectangle with a dashed border, or sometimes a blade icon. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to click and hold on the current tool icon in that group to reveal a drop-down menu, from which you can then select the Slice tool. Simply click on this icon to activate it, and your cursor will change, indicating that the tool is now ready for use. With the Slice tool active, your cursor will transform, signaling that you're prepared to define an exportable area. Now, instead of selecting an existing object, you're actually going to draw a new, independent region. Click and drag your mouse over the specific part of your design that you wish to export. This could be anything from a small icon or a single button to a complex component or even a section of a larger frame. The beauty of the Slice tool is that it creates a completely separate export region, which won't interfere with your original design structure. Once you've drawn your initial slice, you'll see a rectangular outline appear. You can then easily resize this slice by dragging its corners or edges and reposition it by clicking and dragging inside its boundaries, just like you would with any other object in Figma. It's crucial to make sure your slice perfectly encapsulates only the content you intend to export, paying close attention to padding and precise dimensions for a clean asset. After you've meticulously defined your slice and ensured it covers exactly what you need, it's time to export it. With the slice still selected on your canvas, direct your attention to the right-hand sidebar in Figma. Scroll down, and you'll find a dedicated section labeled Export. This is where you configure all the necessary export settings for your asset. Here, you have the flexibility to specify the desired format. Choose from PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF, depending on your project requirements. You can also set different scales or resolutions if you need multiple versions of the asset, for example, for various screen densities or retina displays. Once you've chosen your preferred format and scale, you'll see an Export button prominently displayed within this section. Click on this Export button. A final dialog box will then appear, presenting you with the option to specifically export slice. Clicking this final button will initiate the download of your perfectly sliced asset to your computer, typically saving it to your default downloads folder or a location you've previously specified. This streamlined method ensures you get precisely the asset you defined with the Slice tool, isolated from other design elements, ready for immediate use.